I'm Gina with Claiborne Parish Library, and I'm Super Dan. And we are, for our story time this week, we're going to read Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch. Ooh, that sounds so yummy. All right, so I'm going to be the page turner, and Super Dan is going to read the book. Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch by James Dean. That looks really yummy. Looks like he's going to have a big lunch. Let's see here. Lunch. Here comes Pete. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What would Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato, not tomato, but tomato and mayo. Well, some people might say tomato. Well, I don't. I say tomato. Okay, well, let's just keep on going. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's too small. Something is missing. Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an apple. Pete loves apples. I do too. Say an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Well, I don't know about that, but I like apples too. Let's get back to the story. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too small. Let's see. Pete is very hungry. Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds his cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. Well, that's going to be an interesting sandwich Pete's going to have. Yeah, that's a lot of food. Something is still missing. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. I've never had ice cream on a sandwich. Have you? No, but it might be nice to try. Have you guys had ice cream on a sandwich? Besides an ice cream sandwich. Those are yummy. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do. Pete thinks and thinks. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all his friends. Looks like he's got a lot of friends. He asks them to come over. Let's see, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends that's going to come help him eat this stuff. Yeah, he's got a lot of friends. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Looks like they're digging in. Oh, what a delight. Pete's sandwich is so good. Pete's sandwich is very, very, very good. You added a few berries in there on it, you know. I know. I like to improv. Or ad-lib. Whatever. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Pete's friends are full. They liked Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. It's always nice to share, isn't it? Yeah, especially if you got a lot of friends. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool. Do you think sharing's cool? Yes, I do. Everybody should share. It's just a nice thing to do. Be kind and share. That's my motto this week. Well, that's a good motto. I think that's fabulous. Well, I hope you liked our story time this week. And I hope you think that Super Dan did a great job. And we'll see you next time. Bye. See you later. Bye, y'all. See you next time. Hi, I'm Gina with Claiborne Parish Library, and this is Super Jan. I can say my name. My name's Super Jan. And we're going to do a song today for you. She's going to sing it. It's going to be karaoke style. It's Today is Monday in Louisiana. And it's by Johnette Downing. We're going to use her music in the background as Jan sings it. And they did make a book out of it. It's really cute. I've got some of the pictures that we're going to pop up as Jan tells you what they're eating or what each day is. So are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to tell the story and sing it. I hope y'all like it. Play the music, please. Oh, well, okay. Here we go. Today is Monday, today is Monday, Monday, red beans to lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, Tuesday, po' boys, Monday, red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday, Wednesday gumbo, Tuesday po' boys, Monday red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, Thursday jambalaya, Wednesday gumbo, Tuesday po' boys, Monday red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Friday, today is Friday, Friday catfish, Thursday jambalaya, Wednesday gumbo, Tuesday po' boys, Monday red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Saturday, today is Saturday, Saturday crawfish, Friday catfish, jambalaya, Wednesday gumbo, Tuesday po' boys, Monday red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. Today is Sunday, today is Sunday, Sunday beignets yum, Saturday's crawfish, Tuesday catfish, Thursday jambalaya, Wednesday gumbo, Tuesday po' boys, Monday red beans, all you lucky children, come and eat it up, come and eat it up, come and eat it up. You did a great job. Thank you. I hope y'all liked our song. That was great. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and hope you will be back next week to see our new whatever we decide we're going to do, whether we do a story or singing. It's just going to be a lot of fun. Wish you kids could be here and we do it at the library. Hopefully COVID restrictions will lift at the schools and I'll be able to come and do our story time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye. Y'all have a great day. Bye.